Okay, now we've looked at the fact that the operator can increase his profits by a fairly large amount, 250%, using the same infrastructure. It would be a fairly tough spend to go and do the same thing by putting microcells up. So, I would say a clever guy in one of these organizations would say, guys, we're going to spend 150 million this year on upgrading infrastructure. We can save, some we have to, because for mobile, but we can save perhaps 50 million by just starting to issue fixed users and automatically gain a leverage on our infrastructure. But for the users, there's also nice benefits. They get high instantaneous rates. Okay, so got much happier users right from the word go when they've got external antennas. Of course, that in itself reduces churn and increases take-up by word of mouth. The latency is typically much lower. In other words, there's much less multipath, and that makes the things work faster. And it's predictable and reliable. What I mean by that, it's equivalent to ADSL or fiber. Clearly still varies because there's times of the day where there's contention. So they're contention limited, but it's always sort of the same. Yeah, lots of things affected, where you are, how you are, whether the cell phone operator is getting over capacity and starting to cut down a little bit on guys that's smothering. A lot of issues make these guys' life extremely variable. Your dog or your kid walking around close to the router could affect your data rate quite a bit. So there is a very nice advantage in terms of users and user experience on the right-hand side, regardless of the increased profits that you can make with more users in a cell.